Another very important thing is that whole area of stress and stress management. We talked a little bit about rest, but you need to rest from that constant inflow of electronics, of your cell phone constantly being interrupting your natural electrical flow. Try to be in an environment in your bedroom in particular where you don't have electronics all over the place. Let the body go down to a complete rest to reboot and regenerate your system during that sleep time. So electronic stress, people stress, too much TV, too much light stress. All stress causes the adrenals to be overactive. It really impacts the immune system by having all this cortisol floating through the system. And so whatever you can do, even being around people and environments that are going to make you feel a little bit happier about being around, listening to your favorite music, any of those things, any of those stress modulating things that you can do.